In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through the SHEIN website, find the perfect sweaters and hair accessories, and successfully place an order. First things first, you'll want to open your preferred web browser. In this case, let's use Chrome, which is well suited for a smooth and efficient shopping experience on SHEIN. Once you've got Chrome open, type SHEIN's website address into the search bar and hit enter. You're now on the SHEIN homepage, filled with endless fashion possibilities. Next, let's dive into the world of cozy sweaters. SHEIN offers a vast variety of styles, so feel free to take your time and explore. As you browse through the selections, keep an eye out for details like fabric, color, and size that suit your preferences. You can use the filters provided to narrow down your search, which can make the process quicker and more tailored to your needs. If you find one or more that catch your eye, simply click on the sweater to see additional details including photos, size charts, and customer reviews. This information can be really helpful in making your decision. When you're ready, choose your desired size and color, and then click Add to Bag. Now let's move on to hair accessories. Just as with the sweaters, you'll find a wide range of options. Whether you're looking for something casual or a bit more glamorous, there's something here for everyone. Navigate through the hair accessories section and select any items that appeal to you. Once again, be sure to check the product details to ensure you're making the best choice. When you're satisfied, add these items to your bag as well. With your item selected, it's time to take the next step. Checking your cart. Locate the cart icon at the top right corner of the page and click on it. Here, you'll see a summary of everything you've chosen, making it easy to review your selections. This is a great opportunity to double check sizes, colors, and quantities. If everything looks good, click on the checkout button. Now you're ready to enter your shipping and payment information. This is crucial to ensuring your items reach you safely and promptly, so make sure to enter your details accurately. Fill in your shipping address, choose your preferred shipping method, and then move on to the payment section where you can select from various convenient options. Before finalizing your purchase, take a moment to review all your details such as shipping and payment information, along with the items in your cart to make sure everything is in order. Once you're confident that everything is correct, click on the Confirm Order button. And just like that, you've successfully navigated the SHEIN website and placed your order. Thank you for joining me today, and happy shopping on SHEIN.